When somebody says thank you to you, you can reply with my pleasure. In some situations, my pleasure is even more suitable than your welcome. Question: in what situations should you say my pleasure? Answer: in situations where you were willing and happy to do something for someone. Let's say your grandmother thanks you for helping her. She says, "Thank you, my dear, for chopping the vegetables for me." Now you want to tell your grandmother that you enjoyed serving her, that you were truly happy to be of help. So you could say, "It was my pleasure, Grandma," or "My pleasure, Grandma," or simply, "Pleasure, Grandma." It's a polite and gracious way of saying, "I genuinely feel happy that I could help you." In this scenario, "my pleasure" is a more suitable response than "you're welcome." Why? Because it conveys your warmth and genuine goodwill towards your grandmother. Understanding the tone difference between "you're welcome" and "my pleasure" will show you why. Let's compare the two. "You're welcome," a neutral, standard, polite response. "My pleasure," a warm, semi-formal response that shows genuine goodwill and warmth. Exactly what you want to express to your grandmother. Therefore, "my pleasure" is the most suitable option in this situation. Quick revision. When somebody says thank you to you and you want to express that you were happy to be of help and service, you can use any of these three variations. "It was my pleasure," or "my pleasure," or simply "pleasure." Watch the full video linked below.